Hey there, travelers! Ready to explore Toronto? Well, to make the most of this vibrant city, you'll need to know how to get around efficiently. Let's dive into the ultimate transportation guide for Toronto. Toronto has a diverse transportation network to help you navigate the city's urban charms and outdoor wonders. The Toronto Transit Commission, TTC, offers a vast network of subways, buses, and streetcars, ensuring you can reach every corner of the city with ease. Learn how to use the TTC efficiently with options like PRESTO cards, apps, or cash. Plan your routes and stay updated on service disruptions. Toronto's bus network is extensive, with 140-plus routes, running 24/7. Carry exact change or a PRESTO card for a smooth ride. Discover Toronto's charm through its streetcar system. It's affordable, convenient, and a great way to see the city. Toronto is a walker's paradise, with a high walk score. Most attractions are within walking distance, so let your feet guide you. Toronto is one of the most bike-friendly cities globally, with designated lanes and bike-sharing programs. Pick up a bike and explore. If you prefer driving, know the rental options and tips for navigating Toronto's streets and parking. Experience Toronto's waterways through ferry services, sightseeing cruises, or exploring the Toronto Islands by boat. Toronto offers various alternatives, including ride-sharing, carpooling, and taxis. Use apps like Uber or Lyft for convenience. So, what's the best way to travel in Toronto? It depends on your preference. From TTC to biking, walking, and more, Toronto's got you covered. Explore this diverse city your way. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to ToNiagara for more travel tips. Get ready to immerse yourself in Toronto's wonders. Happy exploring!